It was raining on the highway, skies were weeping gray and low, as we drove through fields of memory where the summer sun once glowed. Jack was riding there beside me, but even he could feel the pain of a heart that didn't want to leave in the soft Wisconsin rain. Every mile was a moment, every drop a silent cry, and I swore I saw the dairylands wipe teardrops from the sky. It felt like all of Wisconsin knew this was my last ride, and deep inside I just knew I'd never see them again in this life. It's so hard to really say goodbye when a place becomes a part of who you are inside. To the friends I made, the laughs, the dreams, the fireflies and forest streams, I didn't want to go, but time just won't rewind. It's so hard to really say goodbye. We ran barefoot through the summers, chasing dust till it was night, and I held those moments tightly in that fading Midwest light. I still remember every face, though the years have blurred their names, and I wonder if they think of me or feel the same. Sometimes I see them in a dream down an old road near a country stream. I wave but they don't hear my cry. I wake with tears I cannot hide. It's so hard to really say goodbye when your heart still lives beneath a Midwestern sky. To the ones I loved who shaped my soul in that summer sacred golden glow. The airport came too fast and I never knew just why. It's so hard to really say goodbye. Jack was quiet as I boarded. I turned but didn't speak. Wisconsin cried, the sky grew dim, the silence running deep. I was just a kid, but I still feel it deep inside. It's so hard to really say